Hi there, my name is Robert Reynolds, and I am a product manager here at Symantec. And I'm here to talk to you today about performance. My job at Symantec revolves around working with products that perform or improve performance of your PC. I spend a lot of time thinking about PC performance, and at Symantec we hear a lot that performance is a frustration for folks, both in terms of startup time of their PC, as well as just application sluggishness or the performance of the PC over time. All right, so there really are three levels of performance tuning that you can perform. Most people start at the highest level, and then as their needs evolve, they will actually move to lower levels of performance tuning. Yeah, the most basic level of performance tuning is where you actually buy a performance utility suite from a major manufacturer. It will go in, it will perform a number of activities that will help alleviate the sluggishness of your PC. The second level is really where you're finding individual specific utilities and downloading those off the internet and running those on your system. And then the third level is where you're really getting in, you're manually making changes to your PC. Maybe you're adjusting your registries, maybe you're actually going in and adjusting specific configuration settings in Windows. So with a good, well-rounded utility suite, what you can do is you can go in and fix the problems that are occurring most commonly. A good, well-rounded utility suite will go in and help you manage the items that are starting up when you boot your PC. And what they do is they allow you to turn off items or unselect items so that they don't start up when your PC starts. It's a good way to improve the boot time of your PC. In addition, these applications will help you go in and defrag your hard drive. Very, very important for a fast performing PC. You want to make sure that your hard drive is in great shape, and a well-rounded utility suite will help you do that. The other thing that people will notice when you're installing applications, you have to be very careful. There's a lot of times there's a checkbox that says, do you want to install this browser add-on when you install your application? Do you want to install this additional service? Do you want us to go out and check the internet for updates? There's all these things that help junk up your PC over time, and a good utility suite will help you go in and either undelete or unselect those activities so that they're not running in the background and keeping your PC slow. I know that I surf the web a lot looking for new utilities, new performance enhancing techniques, and I often see claims like, you'll never ever have to upgrade your PC again, or you'll get a 50% performance improvement if you change this one setting. And the advice is really, kind of be careful, don't take anything at face value, and make sure that you protect yourself. So let's talk about how to protect yourself. Before you get into performance tuning on your system, there's some things that you want to do. And this will protect you in case you make any mistakes. And mistakes are pretty easy to make. Nothing is infallible, and so you always want to be able to go back to the previous state. The first thing I always recommend is making sure that you have a Windows restore point set. This is a good practice to do anyways. Even setting a restore point every day is a good practice. Make sure that you can always roll back to the previous settings. But in addition, I also recommend that you back your system up. So at a minimum, back up your data, make sure that your data is safe and that you can get to it no matter what happens to your system. But I also recommend making a complete backup of your system. We have a product at Symantec called Norton Ghost. It allows you to create an image of your system, and you can always just re-roll that image back out onto your PC, and you know that you're safe. Make sure that you don't take anything at face value. Do your research. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The best course of action is to start with the safest approach. Make sure that you find a good utility suite. Again, Symantec has a product called Norton SystemWorks, which includes a set of utilities that will help improve the sluggishness of your PC in a safe way. And then as you work your way down to lower levels of adjustments where you're using individual utilities or specific manual adjustments, make sure you do your research and read what other people have experienced after they've done those adjustments. Also, make sure you always have a good, strong backup, a current backup of both the data and the OS. If you don't back up, create an image of your system, make sure that you have your Windows disks available to you so that you can reinstall your OS.